Want to use a Visa gift card on Temu? Here's how to do it. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Now log into your account and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can see payment methods option. Tap on it. Select add payment method and choose credit or debit card. Enter the Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once added, you can use the gift card as your payment method during checkout. Make sure your gift card has enough balance for your purchase. Have you ever used a Visa gift card on Temu before? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.